Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto? Work smart, live fully. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone planning their future career path, the highest paying careers for 2025. We've segmented these careers based on years of experience to give you a clear picture of how your salary can grow over time. Whether you're just starting out or already have years of experience, we've got you covered. So, let's break it down and get you on the path to success. First up, let's talk about the highest starting salaries. These are the careers where you can expect to earn a significant income right out of the gate. Number 1, software developers. With the tech industry booming, software developers are in high demand. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon offer competitive starting salaries ranging from $70,000 to $90,000 per year. These companies are eager to attract fresh talent with competitive salaries and benefits. Number 2, data scientists. Another tech-related field, data science is crucial for businesses looking to make data-driven decisions. Entry-level data scientists at companies like IBM, Facebook, and Airbnb can earn between $80,000 and $100,000 annually. The demand for data professionals is only expected to grow. Number 3, nurse practitioners. In the healthcare sector, nurse practitioners are seeing high starting salaries due to the ongoing demand for healthcare services. Organizations like Mayo Clinic, Kaiser Permanente, and Cleveland Clinic offer starting salaries between $90,000 and $110,000 per year. Next, let's move on to careers with the highest salaries after 2 years of experience. Number 1, cybersecurity analysts. With just 2 years of experience, cybersecurity analysts can see their salaries jump to between $100,000 and $120,000. Companies like Cisco Palo Alto Networks and CrowdStrike are constantly on the lookout for skilled analysts. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for skilled analysts continues to rise. Number 2, financial analysts. In the finance sector, financial analysts with 2 years of experience can earn between $90,000 and $110,000. Firms like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley value their expertise in market trends and investment strategies. Number 3, physician assistants. In healthcare, physician assistants with a couple of years of experience can expect to earn around $100,000 to $120,000. Healthcare systems like Johns Hopkins Medicine, Mount Sinai Health System, and UCLA Health offer competitive salaries. Now let's look at the highest salaries after 4 years of experience. Number 1, machine learning engineers. After 4 years, machine learning engineers can command salaries of $130,000 to $150,000. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and NVIDIA are leading the way in this field. Their expertise in developing algorithms that allow machines to learn and adapt is highly sought after in various industries. Number 2, blockchain developers. With the rise of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, blockchain developers with 4 years of experience can earn between $120,000 and $140,000. Companies like Coinbase, Ripple, and Consensys are at the forefront of blockchain technology. Their skills in creating secure and transparent systems are in high demand. Number 3, marketing managers. In the business world, marketing managers with 4 years of experience can earn between $110,000 and $130,000. Companies like Procter & Gamble, Unilever, and Coca-Cola rely on their ability to drive brand growth and manage marketing campaigns. Finally, let's talk about the highest salaries after 5 years and above of experience. Number 1, Chief Technology Officers, CTOs. With over 5 years of experience, CTOs can earn between $200,000 and $300,000 annually. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft value their role in overseeing technological direction. Number 2, surgeons. In the medical field, surgeons with over 5 years of experience can earn between $250,000 and $400,000. Institutions like Johns Hopkins Medicine, Mayo Clinic, and Cleveland Clinic offer substantial salaries for their specialized skills. Number 3, investment bankers. In finance, investment bankers with extensive experience can earn between $200,000 and $350,000, including bonuses. Firms like Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, and Morgan Stanley highly value their expertise in managing large financial transactions and advising clients on investment strategies. So, there you have it. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in your career, these fields offer lucrative opportunities. Remember, while salary is important, it's also crucial to choose a career that aligns with your interests and strengths. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your working friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.